close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we.
Yay, I will be trying a new mask today, you guys. I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys. Like, you guys, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the finished results.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, good morning. How is everyone doing? So I'm Sunita Emmanuel, based in Lagos, Nigeria. This is me, this is I, and this is us. Okay, so if this is your first time, I'm Sunita Emmanuel, based in Lagos, Nigeria. You guys, I told you the last time how I use turmeric for my like morning routines and all. Okay, that's a minimalist facials for people who don't want to spend much. You can just delve into your kitchen, get turmeric, honey, and have your mask done. But in today's video, I am going to be switching things up. For those who have the money, you can actually go for it. Of course, what I'm using is something that you can actually afford. Okay, now I want to do my facials. This is just another way I do my facials, nothing to hide. I've already started before I said I should film for you guys. Okay, so I've not like I've started just I started with the scrub on my face before I thought of filming it. Okay, so this is the scrub I'll be using. The vitamin C extra whitening super scrub is actually really nice for people who likes vitamin C. It smells like vitamin C. This is the first time. I love how a scrub actually smells. Okay, this is the scrub I've been using on my skin as well as my face. Now I'm going to scrub my face with the scrub. This is the scrub. I've already started, like I said. So but you guys do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well as my Facebook page for more updates. Okay, so if you are liking this video already, give me a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started already. Okay,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want.
so you guys, let's tone down the music and get to know this scrub more. Okay, I know today is not about the scrub. Today is basically for the mask. Okay, this video is solely dedicated to me trying out a new mask. But then again, this scrub is giving me life as it contains vitamin C for, you know, clearing hyperpigmentation, making your skin look beautiful and radiant. It's good for acne scars. The scrub itself, it treats acne scars, stretch marks, you know, it reduces blemishes. A lot. There's a lot. So you can see my face that is all glowy, all shiny. It's not harsh on the skin at all. This scrub is not harsh on the skin. It's something you can actually use for your face too. You know, you guys, I always tell you I have a sensitive skin, so whatever it is I take to my skin is well, like it has gone through process. Like I have to test run and know that, oh, this particular one is for me. If not, I dare not try it on my skin. I'm lost. So you guys, I need to go and wash off and then come back with I come back to mask my face. So this is more like a full face. Should I call it a full face whatever, because I'm not steaming my face, so I won't call it a full face. If I was steaming my face, I would have just, you know, after the scrub I steam my face, then the mask. But I'm going to omit the steaming because you guys, you know that I still use my local way. I still use the local way of steaming, which is boiling water, adding my essential oil and steaming my face with it for like 5 minutes. But this one I won't be steaming my face, so I quickly delve into the bathroom, use lukewarm water to wash off my face, then come back with this mask. Okay, so yeah, the lukewarm water will still serve more like a steamer, but even though it's not steaming though, but yeah, that would really serve. Okay, you can already see the glow. Like this scrub gives like some sort of moisture after using it. Okay, that's one thing I love it for, rather. Okay, so what you want to do is use a clean towel to dab your face. Just pat it dry, not like dry though, but just use a very clean towel to dab on your face. But like you can actually just have a special towel for your face, because it's very important that you pay attention to the kind of towel you use on your face. So next in, I'll be going in with my mask. This is I'll be using very I've not tried it before, like I said, so this video is about this mask. So what you need is a brush. Make sure that it's a kind of brush like this particular type. Okay, mine is bad in a way, but shall get a good brush, because after now I'll be getting it. You can see that I've not opened it, so I'm going to open it with you. And yeah, so like I'm saying, you have to get a good brush. Get a good brush, because the brush is important too for the application of the I'm going to pump a generous amount into my palm. Then from there I'll just go in with my brush, take it down to my face, because I don't want to waste it. Okay, I don't want to waste it. So just put a generous amount that you know it will go a long way or will go around your face. Mine, it wasn't like that. Okay, this is how it looks like. It looks so sweet, so yummy. Like, can I lick it? Okay, no, I can't lick it. Sunita, calm down. Okay, so this is me just taking it down to my face. Zoom in so you guys can actually see what's going on here. This is my broken mirror. Somebody have to do something about it. You guys, please do something about it. Okay, yeah, so just take it to your face. Okay, like I told you guys, I was working in a spa a month ago. Okay, I resigned about some weeks ago. I think it's up to a month anyways. So now the thing is, the reason why I talked about the spa thing is because they were using this particular scrub. Why do I keep calling it a scrub? They were using this particular mask for clients. We always have it a lot. So when I got to the market to get the salon stuff, the last video you guys watched, right? I saw it and I'm like, oh really? Can I have it? In the market, it sold for 1,000 naira, you guys. But at home, Ebano, Blanco, and the rest of them cosmetic shops, they will tell you it's 2,000 something. Others can even sell it for 3,000 something. Don't let them cheat you. Tell them I sent you. Okay, so I'm just loving the application, even though my brush is not giving me life. I don't know, for some reasons I did not really pack this thing, the mask, into my face. Okay, I would have just pack it. You know, when you pack it, it's gold now, it's gold mask. So when you pack it, and you're peeling it off, it will just come off as your face. Okay, but this was me. I'm managing. I beg, nobody should come and stress me. Managing. Okay, but to be honest, guys, go in with a generous amount. I'm mindful of your hair, Sha, because it's gonna shock you. When you are peeling off, that's when you will understand what I'm saying. So please be sure that you don't take this mask anywhere close to your hair. See my hair, my front hair or my baby hair is forming busy now as if I have too much hair. Okay, but when they are making the hair, you will not see one strand to hold. So yeah, why am I saying this? Is because this thing got into my hair. I cried at some point trying to get this thing off. You guys know everything at this seal. Hey, so this is me struggling to. I just love how, like, I just love me some mask, because it just helps peels off the hair, the undergrowth on your face, and it just helps products to sit in well on your face. Applying a mask can be really tricky, so you have to be very careful while applying it. Okay, this is how it's currently looking. Like I said, I didn't pack it. This is a gold caviar mask, golden face caviar mask rather. They have the silver caviar mask, something like that, but this one is the gold, so I wanted to try out the gold first. Okay, so yeah, this is me just making sure I reapply on the area where I feel like needs attention. Be careful when applying this thing. Like I said, it can get really tricky. You should be careful of your eyes, your ear areas. Just be careful of your brows as well, so it doesn't get to your hair. just be careful. Check where you feel like both your ears, okay? Be sure that nothing is going down there so that it doesn't get really difficult while pulling off. Okay, so yeah guys, this is how I'm currently looking, and I will be going out to take some fresh air so that it dries off, okay, because like it really took a while to dry, so I need some fresh air so it can dry. And this is it. Yay, it's all dry and my face is all tacky. I dare not utter a word, I dare not talk. I don't know if you guys can hear any noise. Please ignore, okay? I'm taking some mirror because I need to take this thing off, and I'm really scared. I don't know where to start from. Where the heck do I start from? You can see it's all dry, too dry. And remember, I washed my face, so like oil or anything that could have made it easier for me to pull off, okay? Hey, I'm dying here. Someone help a sister, okay? Taking off this thing is not an easy thing to do, but however, wow, definitely going to try. I can feel the pain. Oh my god, it's so painful. Oops. Ew. Oh my god, you guys, this thing is so painful. Like, I feel like my skin is going to rip off, or I'm going to rip off my skin. Which one? This is so painful. I've never tried a mask that is this painful to take off. I don't know, maybe it's because I washed my face, okay, and it was dry. Gosh, this is painful. You guys can see the skin underneath. Like you can see the skin underneath. It looks beautiful, but the pain behind this mask, okay, the pain behind this mask, like I'm trying to try as much as I can to take it easy while peeling off, and I don't shout. Like, I'm trying to comport myself for the camera. If not, normal me, I would have shouted like at the top of my voice. This is so painful, trust me, very painful. That I think you guys see, just look at the glow behind it, okay? Look at the glow. But this is painful. It's painful, okay? It's so painful. Do you remember telling you guys at the beginning of this video while applying this mask, so be careful of your hairline? Now this is a typical example, should I call it definition? This is it. This is the climax. No, I can't take this. Ew, it's painful. I had like baby hair on my forehead, and yeah, it wasn't easy. Like, it's not even, why am I saying it wasn't easy? It's not easy taking off this thing. Like, it's not easy at all, okay? But however it is, I'm gonna try and calm down and take it off. Ew. Okay, I'm just going to try so you guys can see. Finally, I took it off, and this is how it's currently looking. Okay, at this point I can't even talk. I can't even talk. I need to go. I need to move. You guys, I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Okay, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.